What's good? What's good? Hope everyone is enjoying those checks. They got deposited this morning. Guys, it's a blessing. It's a blessing. It's nothing but a blessing to be able to create your own economy. Ain't that funny? myEcon, my economy. You're able to do that. You know, I took a $20 investment, guys, and flipped this $20 investment, and it's only gonna get higher. And the thing is that if you're looking to join myEcon, guys, I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm not one of those people that is just looking to, be in a sign-up game. My goal is to really help you. My goal is to even help you. And, when people, as I mentioned here, guys, starting Monday, I was trying to get everybody positioned. I'm going to be asking everybody simply to just email me. That way, I'm going to leave my links here, but that way, I want you to get the power of what I'm trying to do here for you guys, okay? I want to help build you. So, why wouldn't you want to have a leader that actually say, hey, what's your link? So that way, when people ask, can they sign up, I can put people under you. I want to help a lot of people become EVP, just so you can get your rank up, man. That's my thing. And you got to be able to take risks, guys. You want to give yourself 6 to 9, you want to give yourself 6 months to a year to be involved in this business. And it's not an easy thing. I'm going to say it's not just something you can just, boop. I make it easy, but you do have to learn. You still have to learn, at the end of the day. So I can make it easy as possible, but if you don't take the additional steps to learn what you need to learn, if you don't take the additional steps to just educate yourself, then I can't help you to the full capacity, or you're not going to be knowledgeable of a lot of things here that you can actually do in this business here. I get a lot of money on Autopilot. I don't have to I don't have to talk to a lot of people, which you should. If you're going to be new in this business, you got to pick the phone up. You got to get people to know you. At the end of the day, if you want people to spend money with you, if you're not going to shoot videos and pretty much have them to build a relationship with you through your videos, you got to pick the phone up. You got to call. You got to call. And at the end of the day, a lot of people are scared to call in this business. They're scared to even shoot a video, and you got to be ready to do that, okay? So yes, I'm getting signups. There's a lot of people that are killing it. They are eating, and we're all trying to eat, at the end of the day. But I want to help you guys with a lot of things. I don't want you guys to get taken advantage of. You can really go out here and get taken advantage of, because everybody's going to start offering trainings. Everybody's going to start offering this and that. Internet marketers are very savvy as far as how to actually make more money on top of what they're doing, or they can take a program and then they say, we're going to do all these different things to get you involved. See, with me, I have one marketing system that I utilize. That marketing system has a training inside. I also give you a free training. Outside of that, I have a program that I have been involved in that it was a one-time payment for me for my product. It's just like anything, educational products, pretty much. It teaches me how to make money. It's pretty much showing me all of the ins and outs of how to make money. And there's different platforms and there's different vaults at product levels that you can purchase on that product in the platform that has a plethora of vault of training. Okay, so with that platform, let's just say, I'm gonna go over the levels: 25, 100, 250, 500, 1,000, and 2,000. Each one of these levels, we gonna get past this truck. Got a little semi right on the side. I don't ride on the side of semis, but each one of those levels pretty much has a vault of training. So it's up to you. But once you come in, let's just say you come in at the $500 level, you're going to be pretty much qualified at the 250, the 100, and the 25. So you're going to get all of those trainings. And if you go out and you actually share that training as well, then if someone purchased that one of those levels, you're going to get paid that amount directly, 100% commissions. Okay? So if you go refer someone to a book, right, and they go buy the book, you don't get paid. When you want to get paid for your efforts, or if you referred someone to a movie, when you want to get paid every time you referred someone to that movie. Let's say you referred 30 people to go see the Avengers, right? And all 30 people went to go see the Avengers. So let's just say if AMC paid you $20 for each person that went to go see the movie, would you do it? That's a question you got to ask yourself. This is affiliate marketing. This is what we do, guys. Direct sales, things like that. And this is what I'm trying to help you guys out with. I don't want you to go out here and get taken advantage of. I'd rather, you know, really learn some things, you know, like my marketing system. It pretty much does all the selling and telling for me for my business opportunities. Also, I'm able to pretty much use the same system for any business, okay? Any business. I have everything that I need, from my message follow-up series, my autoresponder, to my capture page builder, to my webinar builder, my text message broadcast. Guys, the list goes on as far as the tools that I even have. And outside of that, there's a plethora of training that's just going to teach you marketing. How to call your leads, what to say to your leads, how to leave messages. Pick the phone up. Pick the phone up. Get some leads from the conversion pros where you can get some phone numbers and pick the phone up. That's going to be the thing, guys, you know. So I wanted to shoot this video just to kind of give you some insights, some cool little tips, man. You want to, you know, you don't have to use anything like a marketing system, like I said, for what I'm trying to do, because I want to help my team. So that's why I'm saying, hey, you know, definitely email me, because I want to help my team. I could easily, you know, just use my marketing systems and just go out here and run traffic and buy leads and call people and send them all under me. But know what I'm doing? Guess what I'm doing? I'm going to be buying leads, calling these leads up, and giving my team members links up to those leads so they can check it out. You see what I'm saying? So guys, the goal is to help you succeed. All right? Now, if you're looking to get involved in any one of these programs, you know, as far as my any one of them, you know, there's going to be a marketing system for this. Okay, so I'm gonna have all the links at the bottom as far as what all I'm involved in right now. That's going to pretty much help you. I don't want to sway you away from myEcon. Okay, I want to keep you understanding what this is going to do for you. Everything else around you is just trainings. It's just materials for you to learn. If you're going to educate yourself, if you're going to be in this business, you do have to educate yourself. I don't get sales on autopilot for nothing. You feel me? I don't not do nothing. Okay, I work still. I do minimal work. I still hustle. You know, I'm constantly always up hustling, putting stuff together. But it's easy once you've actually set the capture pages up, the marketing system, the follow-up messages, you know, and then now you're running traffic and you're sending leads to it, and guess what? Now the only thing I'm doing is just following up. You know, rinse and repeat. Shoot a video, let people build a relationship with you, let people know who you are as a person. Okay? I'm gonna drop those links right at the bottom for you guys to check out, man. We want to help you guys. You know, if you're struggling to make an additional weekly income, we want to help you. You're struggling to make an additional income at your job, they're not giving you no OT. We want to help you fix that W-4 form so that way you can get paid out. Okay? So we're gonna wrap this video up, guys. It ain't even, TCP hasn't even paid yet, man. It's crazy. I'm still waiting on TCP to pay. Once TCP pays, man, I'm good for the week. I'm good for the week, man. So, you know, guys, I've shot videos all week about little payments that's come in, myEcon, you know, easy one up. And now I'm about to get paid with TCP today. Oh, money being made around here. Get involved, man. It's your boy Jay, guys. If you have not hit the subscribe button, share this video with someone that you think that could definitely benefit from this video. But we're going to be doing a lot more training sessions, guys. It's not going to be just, hey, join. I want to talk to you guys about, you know, things that you can do also credit-wise, financial-wise, you know, as far as building your credit, secured credit cards and things like that. So, secured Visas and MasterCards that you can definitely do, guys. I want to definitely get you right. All right, so we're going to wrap this video up. Hit that like button. Click one of those links at the bottom if you're not involved. If you are involved and you're looking to get more training, go ahead and check out Easy One Up. Also check out TCP, that's the marketing system and training as well. So those are two things that I'm definitely going to recommend up front. I'm also going to give you access to my social media ads training for, guess what, America's favorite 4-letter word, free. You're going to get that for free, and I'm also going to give you access to a vacation destination. Boom. All right, so what I might be doing again, I might be opening it up where I can actually give people access to offer vacations as well who join me. So I might be doing that as well next week again. But right now I'm going to be giving away the vacations again. So definitely once you join me, my goal is to pretty much get you right, get you on the good foot. All right, this your boy Jay. I'm out. Have a beautiful and blessed day this time. Peace.